Nano Femiras Plus, the shower head that promotes beautiful skin. Nanobubble generating mechanism. Nanobubbles are generated when water passes through the generating mechanism. The nanobubbles are ultra small at approximately 0.067 micrometers in size. Negatively ionized nanobubbles penetrate deep into the skin to enhance moisturizing and warming effects. Water discharged from the 0.15 millimeter hole instantly permeates the skin. The moisture content of the skin is maintained at a high level. A typical pore is about 120 micrometers, while a nanobubble is about 0.067 micrometers. Nanobubbles, ultra-tiny bubbles 1/10,000th millimeters in diameter, penetrate even into pores. Nano Femiras Plus removes unwanted dirt and grime from the skin. Its cleansing power is about 4.2 times that of a typical shower. It releases all the dirt from pores. Equipped with a mode switch to switch between different water flow. 3 different shower modes to choose from according to your needs. Excellent cleansing, moisturizing, warming, and water-saving capabilities for natural moisture and beautiful skin. The cleansing mode with shower head remove also increases the force of the nanobubble water. 4 water flow modes for a blissful bath time. Save up to 40,000 yen or more per year of use. Get beautiful skin at the same time with the affordable Nano Femiras Plus.